So I'm back with a video, and we're gonna be finishing this baby off. So I'm just gonna, oh no, I'm out of her. Just taking out those pins right now. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, 5, 6, and yeah. So that's all of it. I'm just gonna have to put the wig on my head, and I'm going in with my ghost bond glue, and I'm just gonna apply this directly close to my hairline. The reason I do this is because I always have a lot of isotropic alcohol at home, so it literally takes off this glue without damaging my hair in any possible way. But you know, if you value your edges and you're not comfortable with this, then please just use the Got to Be styling hair glow gel, because that works just as well too. But I just like this because it gives me extra security, but that's just my preference, guys. Usually it's advisable to wait until the glue completely dries and it's clear and see through, but I usually just like to lay my wig on when I feel like it's tacky enough, and sometimes it's always good to have like a blow dryer close by so you can blow dry it, but majority of the time I just pretty much let it air dry. So as you can see, I'm just literally sticking that wig down and positioning it where I want it to go. As you can see, that side's stuck down and it still dries pretty clear anyway. So I just need like that middle bit to completely dry out, and I need to add a bit more glue down on this side. So it's okay if you don't have enough glue in the first instance. It's better to have like little glue than too much glue, because you can always go in to put more, but it's harder to take off the excess. So now that that's done, I'm just going to use my hands, like literally my fingers, run through and press it down, make sure it stays properly where I want it to stay. And I'm just gonna go in with like, literally you can go in with like a scarf, a little piece of leggings, just anything that you can use to secure that hair while that glue dries properly. And this is just a headband thingy that I got off eBay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this right down, and well, make sure it helps to hold my hair in place where I want it to stay. And pretty much this is all I do to it. So yeah, nice, tight and secure, guys. I literally just want to come through, and guys, I really can't say this enough times. This color is really beautiful, and I'm super proud of myself for this, because this was my first time actually coloring a hair like this, and it turned out really well, way better than I thought. So I'm super happy, and I'm just gonna brush it all down, you know, put my hand in there, play with it here and there, because I always play with my hair. And then I'm gonna take that off because I think it's sat down for long enough. And as you can see, it's nicely laid down. So yeah, I'm just brushing through, making sure it's all stuck down, and I'm gonna go ahead to style it and do my baby hairs. Now that that's all done, I'm just gonna go right ahead and put my hair in a half up, half down do and style it. So yeah. So this is the finished look, guys, and this is how it turned out. I am absolutely in love with this hair. It's a lot of high maintenance because of the crappy ass bundles that I got, but I love it and I intend to keep it looking this beautiful for a long time because I want to keep vibing in this hair. Like, look how gas I am. This hair literally had me feeling myself, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was one hell of a long ass journey, but I am really grateful for every single one of you that tune in to watch my videos. For those that are subscribed, thank you. If you're not already subscribed, then please subscribe and I will try to upload more interesting videos. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.